have a 1935 Ford Phaeton Convertible. This car is in absolutely great shape. Green paint, looks great. Chrome and bright work, great shape. Got a great luster to it. This car also comes with the custom side curtains as well, which we have them, everything that comes with the car will be also in the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Or you can always give us a call, 507-386-1726. As you can see, it's got the spare on the back. This car is riding on wide whites and painted green spoke wheels. All right, and as you can see, since we're looking at it, we got the green pinstriping all the way along. Running board's in great shape. Fenders, no nicks or anything like that. It's a very clean car, well taken care of. Definitely not driven in any inclement weather or anything like that. As you can see, door lines nice and straight as they should be. Door cards, great shape. Nothing to complain about here. We got brown vinyl there. Bench seats front and back with matching brown carpet. That flathead V8, of course, is paired with a manual transmission. I forgot to mention that before. As you can see here, got the gauges, and the rear view with the clock. Although the clock does not work, but it still looks great. But yeah, as you can see, just a great looking 35 Phaeton. We'll start this baby up so you can hear it per 1 second. All right, we got the starter on the floor, on position. Starts right up. Just listen to that flathead. We'll slip out here. Go take a gander under the hood. Just very smooth running engine. Very nicely put together. 35 Ford Phaeton. Slip back to the rear here, and while we're doing that, don't forget to check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com, or you can always give us a call at 507-386-1726. Again, look at how well that fits. 1935 Ford Phaeton Convertible. uniqueclassiccars.com.